Hello everyone. Today we are going to review this book of Vinod Publications. Its name is Inclusive Education. It's a semester 1 book. It's a B.Ed book of Jammu University. Uh, it's in English medium, as you can clearly see. Now let's talk about this book. It's written by a professional team of experienced authors of Vinod Publications, which is a very trusted firm. This book is also bestseller, as per their previous books were. So let's check this books and review it. Now let's check the syllabus first. They have mentioned the syllabus first, so you can check the syllabus and then you can match it with the contents which are given ahead, like syllabus first, unit 1 inclusive education, meaning, need, importance, and so on. Unit 2 special education concept, objectives, need. Then unit 3 education of intellectually disabled, backward children concept. Then unit 4 role of rehabilitation, role of parents, and so on. So contents are also mentioned so that you can check and match the content with the syllabus, as to check that whether contents have everything which was there in syllabus or not. Now in content, the unit 1 is inclusive education, meaning, need, and importance, and with subtopics, as you can see, meaning, need, importance, inclusive, and also everything is in discussed, and pages are also mentioned very clearly. So it's very easy for the reader, for the student, to check and study any topic he or she wants to study. For example, meaning of inclusive education, you can check behind, inclusive education, meaning, need, and importance of inclusive education, meaning, need, and importance of inclusive education. Everything is discussed, like collaboration with families of students. In syllabus also you will check that the collaboration with families is definitely mentioned, and in syllabus everything is, like, you can see, collaboration with families of students is clearly mentioned. So everything is discussed in detail. In unit 3, in unit 2 is discussed in detail. Then unit 3 is discussed in detail. Unit 4 is discussed in detail, and you can randomly check, like in unit 3, like 5.3 ethology of backwardness 143. So you can also randomly check that are these topics there in syllabus or not. Like unit 3, in syllabus, like unit 3, that topic, ethology and identification of backward children, and the topic first was education of intellectually disabled children, and in content also the topic was education of intellectually disabled children. So everything which was there in syllabus is there in content also. In unit 4 it's also mentioned, everything is mentioned. Now we'll also check the page number which are mentioned. Are these authentic or not? For example, everything which is there in page numbers, with regard to the topic, is it there in the matter or not? Let us check now. In unit 4, for example, you can see the topic, role of peers groups towards inclusion, 174 page. Now we'll check that in 174 page, is this topic there or not? 174 page, the topic, role of peer group towards inclusion. So everything is very discussed in details, and the page numbers are also mentioned very rightly so. Like in unit 1, you can check that appreciation to student diversity, 41 page. You can check in 41 page, see, appreciation to student diversity. Like in unit 1, the first topic is discussed 1 to 51 page. You can also check, is it from 1 to 51 page or only, like from 1 page and then till 51st page, and then in next page next topic starts. So everything is discussed in detail, and it's a very, very good and smooth book. You can easily read it. Any student can easily read and understand the language also in this book. Also, it's very comfortable also, and the contents match the syllabus also, and the contents are discussed in detail with regard to the page numbers mentioned also. Its book is 190 pages, and in back side also other books are also mentioned. You can check from their website also, which is www.vinodpublications.com. Now regarding the price of this book, it's only 299.50 rupees. It's available on Flipkart and Amazon. Also you can check their online sites, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, or also SOS to see the new types of books which are available and which will be available soon. And now you can also visit the website www.vinodpublications.com. You can call them directly 9218 on this number, so that you can purchase this book online. Also you can purchase this book from the bookstores available near your location. Any bookstore regarding B.Ed books will have this book only for rupees 299, 150 or only. And on online shopping, it's on Flipkart and Amazon, I have already told you. So you should definitely buy this book. It's a very good book of very less price and better quality. It's good for every type of student. Every student should definitely buy this book. I've purchased this book just a few days back from online Amazon site, and it's very smooth delivery also. So you can definitely buy this book, and their helpline number is also mentioned. If you have any complaints regarding any book, helpline number is also mentioned, help@vinodpublications.com. So it's a very trusted form. I think you should definitely buy this book as it's very easy to understand by the students also, and I definitely recommend it. Thank you.